The Ferrari 458 Speciale is one of the most thrilling, raw, and track-focused machines to ever come out of Maranello. As the high-performance evolution of the already exceptional 458 Italia, the Speciale isn't just faster. It's a masterpiece of engineering and emotion, designed to connect the driver to the road like few cars can. In this detailed YouTube video review, the host takes viewers through a comprehensive journey, highlighting the design, performance, driving dynamics, and the unique elements that set the 458 Speciale apart from its rivals and even its siblings. Design and aerodynamics. The video opens with sweeping cinematic shots of the 458 Speciale under natural light, showcasing its aggressive and purposeful styling. Unlike the standard 458 Italia, the Speciale features revised bodywork for improved aerodynamics, including active aero flaps on the front and rear that adjust to driving conditions. The massive front air intakes, sharper bumper lines, and sculpted rear diffuser immediately tell you this isn't just a prettier version, it's made to perform. The car's weight-saving measures are also discussed in detail. Ferrari utilized lightweight materials such as carbon fiber for interior components and specific body panels. Even the windows are thinner to reduce overall weight, helping the Speciale tip the scales at just 1,290 kilograms dry, 90 kilograms lighter than the Italia. Interior and technology. Moving to the interior, the review highlights the minimalist, racing-inspired cabin. Don't expect plush leather or fancy infotainment here. The 458 Speciale is all about function over form. The Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and bare-bones layout emphasize performance. There's no carpet, no glove box, and no unnecessary distractions. Even the stereo system and navigation are optional. However, Ferrari's advanced onboard telemetry and drive mode selector, the Manettino, are front and center. With modes like Race, CT Off, and ESC Off, drivers can dial in the exact level of electronic intervention they prefer. The review explains how this system makes the car highly adaptable, whether carving canyons or hitting apexes on a track. Engine and performance. The heart of the 458 Speciale is its naturally aspirated 4.5-liter V8 engine, which is arguably one of Ferrari's finest. Producing a staggering 597 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 540 Nm of torque, it holds the title of the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 Ferrari had ever built at the time. The video includes multiple exhaust sound clips that will make any enthusiast's heart race. The high-pitched F1-style wail of the engine is pure oral bliss, especially when the tachometer surges past 8,000 RPM. The car's 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, time of just 3.0 seconds is matched by razor-sharp responsiveness and a red line that seems to stretch into the stratosphere. Also emphasized is the lightning-quick 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which offers millisecond shifts and perfectly rev-matched downshifts. The reviewer notes that it feels almost telepathic, responding immediately to paddle inputs with zero lag. Driving dynamics. Perhaps the most emotional part of the video is the driving footage, captured both on twisty mountain roads and a closed race circuit. The 458 Speciale steering is described as surgically precise, light but with excellent feedback. Combined with the car's lighter weight and enhanced aerodynamics, it delivers a level of agility and cornering prowess that few cars can match. Ferrari's side slip angle control (SSC) system is also reviewed. This technology allows drivers to approach the car's limit more safely by calculating and adjusting torque delivery during slides. The host praises the system for offering fun, controllable oversteer while maintaining safety. Braking performance is equally impressive thanks to carbon ceramic discs borrowed from the LaFerrari. Even under repeated hard stops, there's no fade, just immediate, confident deceleration. Track experience. On the track, the 458 Speciale is in its element. The video shows lap footage with telemetry overlays, highlighting the car's rapid acceleration, sharp turn-in, and balanced chassis. The host describes the car as a precision instrument that rewards skillful driving with immediate feedback and incredible control. Lap times are briefly compared to its competitors, including the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and McLaren 650S. While the Speciale may not have the raw power of turbocharged rivals, its purity and driving feel make it more engaging. Conclusion and final verdict. The review wraps up by summarizing what makes the 458 Speciale a future classic. Unlike newer Ferraris that use turbocharging or hybrid systems, the Speciale represents the end of an era, a naturally aspirated, high-revving V8 with minimal digital interference. Collectors and enthusiasts alike cherish it for its sound, its feel, and its emotional driving experience. The host emphasizes that while modern Ferraris might be faster on paper, few can replicate the thrill and analog connection of the 458 Speciale.